property. Hey guys! Ayan, backstage of Sahara Spotlight.
Dance and enjoy the show. Feel the stage, feel the moment. Shine like a star in the spotlight.
This is Sahara Spotlight!
Hey guys! Come on everybody, let's have some fun. Let's sing and
What's up? This is What's Up EJ. And dito ang ating backstage ng Sahara Spotlight together with my co-host over here. Ang gaganda! Pag may mga gumanda pa dito, ewan ko na. Of course, we have Luis here and Kaylin.
All Instagram, Facebook, lahat na.
Ano kasi yun? K2?
Success, C-A-I-T, to success. Kasi what's your key to success?
Dami mong alam, ewan ko sa'yo. And Luis, anong socials mo?
Luis Carwin naman.
Alin doon? Yung L sa umpisa o sa dulo?
Wala naman sa
Wala
dulo.
pala. Nabago na. Hindi ako informed. Hey man, what's up?
Hi guys, my name is James Gabriel Marquez. You can follow me on IG, HTTPS, Thank you guys.
Oh, ikaw pala yun. Si James. BTS. Ayan. Ang aking mga babies, pioneer batch ng Sahara Kids Club pero hindi na sila kids ngayon. So, mas malaki pa sila sa akin. Ayan. And of course, what's your name?
Dali.
Nabago na. Bakit? Hindi na ba pangalan mo ngayon? Okay. Sige, Denise. And we're here at the backstage of Sahara Spotlight. And what's your name again?
Mayara.
Ikaw pala si Nayara? Oh, may nanalo sa Princess of Chocolate Festival. Wow! Ikaw yun? Oh, starstruck ako. Paano ko ma-starstruck ito? Congratulations!
See what? Yo. 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 What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? EJ. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? EJ. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?